The chapter is Factorization for Standard 8, and continuing with our series of videos, this is part 5. We are going to consider here another set of trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. In previous parts, we considered the format of a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Then we also did the difference between the squares. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now this is another variety. This is also generally called splitting of middle terms. So how to proceed? Multiply. The first step is multiply the coefficient of x squared and the constant. Here we will consider an example here. So x squared coefficient is 1, constant is 20. So 1 into 20 is 20. So we will find the factor. Now find the factors of this product. So the factors of this product is 5 and 4 or 10 into 2. So we get various factors, various combinations. So we have to select a combination in such a way that when you add these or subtract this, you will get the middle term. So here if you see 5 and 4, if you add 5 plus 4 is 9. So we have to select such a combination. If you select this, you will not be able to get the factors. So we will write this as 9x as 5x plus 4x and then 20. Now then we will take this, we will group these two and then find the common factor, x into x plus 5 plus 4 into x plus 5. These type of problems we have already done earlier. And now again x plus 5 is a common factor out into x plus 4. Consider this. Now we have minus. Here all the terms were plus. Now we have minus here, and now the constant is 12 and coefficient of x squared is 1. So you will multiply 1 into 12 is 12. Now we can write 12 as 6 into 2. So 6 and 2, if you add or subtract, you don't get 7. So we will try another combination, 4 into 3. Yeah, now 4 and 3, if you add, you get 7. Now you see here it is minus 7 and here it is plus. So the factors, so if you multiply this, you should get this factor. So it has to be, since this is positive, it has to be, both has to be negative. Then if you add minus 4 plus minus 3, you get minus 7. So we will again split this as x squared plus minus 4x plus minus 3x plus 12. Now again we will group these two, x into x minus 4 plus x into, here 3 is the common factor. So we will take this as, since this is minus, we will take minus 3 outside. So minus 3 outside. So x minus 4. Because minus 3 into minus 4 will become plus 12. So now x minus 4 is common. X minus 4 into x minus 3. Here x squared plus 5x minus 24. Again we will find the factors of the constant 24 is equal to 12 into 2. Then we can write 6 into 4. So these also you cannot do. Now 8 into 3. So now 8 and 3 you get 8 minus 3 is 5. So now this is the factor that we will use. And you see it is minus 24. And here it is plus. That means one of the factors has to be negative. Only then if you multiply you get a minus 24. But here it is plus. So in that case your bigger number should be positive and the smaller number should be negative. So we will write this as x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 24. Now we will write this as x into x plus 8. Now minus 3 into x plus 8. So minus 3 has been taken out. So this is minus 24. So minus into plus minus. Now we have x plus 8 as a common factor. X plus 8 into x minus 3. Now here 80. Now again 80 is equal to 8 into 10. Then 20 into 4. So 8 into 10 we can't do anything. 20 into 4 also we can't do anything. So now we can write this 20 as 5 into 4 into 4. So again we will convert this as 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So now we will see which is a combination such that we get 11. So 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 4 is not possible. So 6 and no 8 into 10 is also not possible. So another combination is now 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 5. So 16 and 5, 16 minus 5 is 11. So we will write this as, now again this is minus and here also the answer is minus. So we will take the bigger number. See, one of the factors has to be negative, and since this is negative, your higher number, the higher factor, the bigger factor has to be negative. So we will write this as x squared minus 16x plus 5x minus 80. So this is equal to x into x minus 16 plus 5 into x minus 16. So x minus 16 into x plus 5. So the constant number is negative. One of the numbers will be negative and the other is positive. If the constant is positive, it depends. It can be either both can be negative or both has to be positive. Now here we have the constant as 2. Coefficient of x squared as 2. So we will multiply this with 5. So 5 into 2, 10. Now 10 we can write this as 5 into 2. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. So we can straight away write this as 2x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 5. Here all the terms are positive. So this also will be positive only. Now we will take, now we have to group these two, 2x squared and 2x and 5x and 5. This and this. So 2x into x plus 2 plus 5 into x plus 1. No, so here it is, sorry, it is x, 2x we have taken out, so here it is only 1. Plus 5 into x plus 1. Now we have x plus 1 as common into 2x plus 5. Now here minus 5 and 4. So 5 into 4 is 20. Now 20 we can write this as 5 into 4. Now 5 and 4 if you subtract you get 1 here. So we will write this as minus 5x squared minus, since this is minus, we have to write minus 5x plus 4x plus 4. Now we will take minus 5x from this first two terms, minus 5x into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 1. Now we have x plus 1 into minus 5x plus 4, or we can write this as 4 minus 5x.